Now, is Rajinikanth set to make his poll entry through a little-known political outfit? Well, big speculations over the Makkal Sevai Katchi, a new political party which was allotted the auto rickshaw poll symbol by the Election Commission for Tamil Nadu. The party had, however, actually sought this symbol that you see here, two fingers pose, called the Baba symbol, a mudra popularized by Rajinikanth in his 2002 hit Baba. Auto rickshaw also has extreme significance, connecting Rajinikanth to his blockbuster film Basha. Now, sources from Rajinikanth's team suggest that the announcement is expected on the 21st of January. Plans are also underway to seek one more party for registration. Going over to Akshaya on that. Akshaya, Rajinikanth first starting off his political entry through a lesser-known party which was registered earlier, and that had an auto rickshaw symbol. But he is looking to have another two-finger symbol, his popular sign. Now, what next? Is he planning to register another party with another name, with this symbol that he expects to have?
Oh, well, Nabila, from the initial reports that we have got, it's being told that Rajinikanth and his colleagues have registered a party which was already there. They've renamed it and they have registered it under the ownership of Rajini. And this is something that has come up right now. And we're being told that on the 21st of December, there was a likelihood of the volunteers and the party members to announce this as a big statement to the public. But there has been a delay that has been caused because of the differences that is there, and they're saying that there might be a chance of another political party formation or a name being registered under Rajinikanth also. That is something that is being speculated at this point of time. But one thing is clear, Nabila, there is one already existing party which has been renamed, and that party has auto rickshaw as its symbol, and that is being currently allotted to the party also. And right now they're also trying to find if there's a possibility of changing that symbol into the Baba symbol, which is most often used by Rajinikanth and his team. And it needs to be seen as to what will be the future of Rajinikanth and his party. Well, on the 31st, Rajinikanth will be making that massive announcement, is what he had said earlier. Currently, he is in Hyderabad shooting for his film Annate, which he said that it will be concluded by this month itself, so that he can focus on his political journey from then on. Nabila, very interesting developments that, Rajinikanth's every step is keenly also watched. But one party which is already existing has been renamed and its symbol has also been adopted, is what our sources are telling us, Nabila.
Right. Thank you very much, Akshaya, for joining us with those details. Now,
hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.